Vroom. Vroom. Hey guys, Richard here. See you later. Man, I am checking out the brand new Narrak. This is the N8. And so far, I am really liking what this bike is offering. Look at that. Not only does it look sharp, it's performing pretty good too. I'm liking how it performs. To get up to speed really quick there. Check out those brakes, spin around. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Pretty good stability. Yeah, it leans a little bit, but the wheels aren't really coming off the ground too much. So that's kind of cool. Get spun around here. Let's take a closer look. Let's get back to the Emma. She's holding the camera. Look out, Emma. Try not to run you over. Check it out, guys. Look at this awesomeness here. Isn't that just sharp looking? I mean, we're talking completely looking different than most trikes. Primarily because, look, you have two seat posts here. Two seat posts because you have this banana seat on there. Isn't that cool? And hey, check this out. Over here, you can, which way does it go? You can adjust this backrest. The seat doesn't move, but the backrest moves. So you can sit all the way to the back if you want a little more recumbent style, or if you want to sit a little closer, maybe you have shorter legs, a shorter person, you can move it all the way up like that. That is so cool. Hey, here's another cool feature. We got this butterfly looking handlebar thing going on right here. You've got this. You can adjust this. Look at that. You can adjust this however you want it. Tighten it back up. You can also adjust it this way a little bit. Look at that. Telescoping handlebar. Oops, it's stuck. There we go. Way cool. Yeah. Hey, I'm liking it. This is the Narrak N8. Make sure you go check it out.